Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and yes, it's me. I'm back forever. I am not going anywhere. The last time I uploaded a video was I think almost 4 months ago, and I need to stop taking breaks, but now I'm back, and I'm back for good. I'm not gonna stop because I do actually miss doing YouTube videos, and I just felt so lazy not doing YouTube videos. But I'm back, and I hope you guys missed me because I miss you guys. And I made a very beautiful lily colored eyeshadow. And if you guys want to learn how I got this look, continue watching this video. Okay, wow, I forgot to shoot the intro of the video. It's supposed to be like a super dramatic eyeshadow shot. Me doing different poses, but I forgot to do that. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute since I did YouTube. So this is going to be the intro, and if you guys are interested in how I got the look, continue watching this video. Bow down, bitches. Bow down, bitches. So I already have my foundation on. Now let's get into the look. My brushes are dirty, so let me clean them real quick with my Easy Go brush cleaner. You just pour a little bit in here. It's super easy. It dries in 3 seconds. It works amazing. You dip your brush in. You grab a piece of paper towel or a microfiber cloth or whatever you guys want to use. But today I'm going to use a paper towel. And then you just swirl your brush and keep swirling and swirling. Go back and forth. I go to a clean side to dry it. I go like this, and then you want to hold your fingers like this so that way the brush can go through, so that way it can get a nice even cleanse. And then you want to go to another part of the paper towel, go in circular motions, and guess what? You're doing all of this in less than 30 seconds and disinfecting your brush, and voila, a nice clean brush under 30 seconds. I made this all by myself, so if you guys want to know what the formula is, just let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to know how I did this. While we did all that, the brushes are already dried. Just to make sure that it's fully dried, you just want to like shake it back and forth. And this is how I clean my brushes in less than 30 seconds, you guys. If you guys want to know the ingredients or how to make this, just let me know it down in the comments and I will make a video of it for you guys. So the palette that I'm going to be using is a 25C from Morphe, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Summer. Right here is this purple color, and we're just gonna add that to the crease. We're just going to blend it out. You want to make sure that you blend it out really good. I've been sitting in front of this camera for almost 4 hours already. Did 2 looks and failed both of them. This is what you want, okay? I'm gonna go in the color Lucky right here. And we are only going to add that on the outer eye. And then blend it into the crease. Just like that. I'm going to grab the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Summer, the Morphe 25C palette, and I'm just going to run this under the bottom lash line. We're gonna go back in with the color Lucky right here. We're just going to add this on the outside, blend it into the rest. color Grace right here. It's this rose gold shimmer. And I'm gonna take it on my brush, on a flat brush. And I'm going to spray it with some, I'm gonna go in with this flat brush right here and I'm gonna spray some setting spray on it. And we're just going to add this in the inner eyes. Take some on my finger right here and just pat it in so we can get a high shine. And I'm gonna go in with some Jano right here. It's this peach color. I'm gonna add it in my inner corners. Why do I always overdo it? Just like that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. It just looks like the same color that I did for the whole entire eye. But I'm gonna pop some lashes on. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even recording. So what I did was I applied eyelashes. I contoured, blush, and highlighted, and now I'm still baking. And now I'm just gonna add lipstick. I'm gonna add some of this NYX right here. I have no idea what color it is, but yeah, it is. It's NYX. So I'm gonna add NYX to the center of my lips, just the center. And I'm going to blot that out, just doing this. And then move your lips, of course, so that way it gets everywhere. And I'm gonna take my amazing ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lips in the color Zuma. And we are just going to apply this right on the outside. Oh my gosh, I look so cute. And you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. I did this look before, but not many people got to see it because I only took like 2 pictures of it. But it was super cute. This was the makeup look that I did for my Halloween look, which sadly I didn't get to post because my camera was full storage and I only had 3 hours to get ready. I hope you guys like this look today, and I actually really miss doing YouTube videos. The reason why I stopped is because I was like a little straight at the time, but because I was playing games all day 24/7, and it kind of separated me from the beauty community, and I actually miss doing makeup so much. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna live the best of both worlds. Why not? So I'm a gamer and a beauty guru. I had fun recording this video. I actually do miss doing YouTube. It's been 4 months since I last uploaded my YouTube video. And guess what? I am back for good. I will be uploading videos weekly. I will probably be uploading every Sunday or Wednesday. If I miss Wednesday upload, then I will upload it Sunday. And the other video that I upload at the same time as Wednesday, I will also upload that on Sunday. So that way you guys do not miss any videos. And I just hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.